Hello everyone, welcome to today's review where we dive into the world of smart home cleaning with the Lefant N3 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This little marvel doesn't just vacuum, it mops with a dTOF navigation system and a vibrating mop cloth. Let's unbox this and see what we have. The robot itself, a charging base, a power supply, 4 side brushes, 2 mops, and 2 extra filters to get you started. The Lefant N3 is sleek with a 450 ml dustbin accompanied by a filter and a charming little blue LED light strip. It comes with a 160 ml water tank for mopping, equipped with that vibrating mop cloth to tackle stubborn dirt. On top, you'll find a state-of-the-art dTOF LiDAR sensor and a single button for easy operation. Below, the N3 sports 2 cross brushes and a dedicated mop cloth holder. The Lefant app is intuitive, making it simple to set up and navigate through its features. Whether it's day or night, select a specific area on the app, and the N3 heads right over for a targeted cleaning. Voice commands via Alexa and Google Home give you the convenience of hands-free control, and the app allows you to monitor cleaning paths, schedule cleanings, adjust suction levels, and switch between cleaning modes. Note: it supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Testing the N3 on rice and coffee spills on the floor showcases its powerful suction, boasting a 25% improvement over its predecessor, the M1. The 4000 PA suction with Boost Intellect technology adapts to different surfaces, from wood to ceramic to carpets, enhancing suction as needed to pick up pet hair, dirt, and debris for an all-around home clean. The dTOF LiDAR navigation creates accurate maps, recognizes obstacles precisely, and avoids furniture bumps. This means a clean home without any mishaps. For mopping, the sonic mopping technology hits your floors up to 12,000 times per minute. With adjustable water volumes, it vacuums and mops simultaneously. Remember to wash the mop cloth regularly for optimal performance. When it comes to carpets, the N3's ultrasonic carpet recognition knows when to avoid carpets during mop mode, or to vacuum them when it's not mopping. Battery life is impressive. With a 5200 mAh battery, the N3 can run up to 200 minutes, returning to its charging station when the cleaning is done or the battery is low. It can cover an area of up to 300 square meters on a full charge, depending on the cleaning mode and floor type. The apps with no-go zone and virtual wall features are handy. You can set forbidden zones or use the spot cleaning function to direct the N3 to clean specific areas, all while you relax. Interested in buying the Lefant N3? Check out the link in description. While I don't have the final price, it's listed on Amazon for $599 with a tempting 50% off coupon. In conclusion, the Lefant N3 is a solid little robot vacuum cleaner equipped with the latest tech like dTOF navigation and a vibrating mop cloth that truly enhances its cleaning capabilities. However, you will need to empty the bin and clean the mop cloth yourself. What do you think of the Lefant N3 Robot Vacuum and Mop? Please leave a like or a dislike under this video and let me know in the comments how you find it. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss my upcoming reviews. See you soon.